Attorneys for accused killer Bryan Kohberger have until today to formally submit documents related to his alibi for the night of the killings. Kana Whitworth has that story. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, George, good morning. So you'll remember his lawyers have said that Bryan Kohberger was just driving around alone that night. But Idaho state law says specific names and addresses need to be provided for an alibi. And in Kohberger's case, those details need to be handed over to the court today.
It's deadline day for Bryan Kohberger's defense team.
All rise.
The judge requesting Kohberger's lawyers provide additional details about the former Ph.D. student's alibi the night 4 University of Idaho students were stabbed to death in an off-campus home. Over the summer, Kohberger's lawyers claimed in a court filing the suspected murderer was instead driving around alone, as he often did in the late evening and early morning hours when the murders were committed in November of 2022. They added he's not claiming to be at a specific location at a specific time, and said they had no specific witness to say precisely where he was at each moment. The judge earlier entered a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf.
Because Mr. Kohberger is standing silent, I'm going to enter not guilty pleas.
The lacking details and inability to corroborate Kohberger's whereabouts were criticized by Latah County's top prosecutor, Bill Thompson, who called the alibi vague. The judge agreeing.
The so-called alibi, not really an alibi.
If Bryan Kohberger does not present an alibi, the defense is going to have to rebut the information and the evidence that the state is putting forth. Because if he doesn't have an alibi, then he could potentially have been at the murder scene.
The parents of victim Kaylee Gonzalez telling ABC News in part that they are frustrated by the delays that are ongoing in this case, and they are awaiting the alibi information.
Now, also today, his lawyers need to hand over a potential witness list as well as any evidence they want to present at the change of venue hearing held next month. That is something that the Gonzalez family hopes is denied. And a reminder, guys, no trial date has even been set yet.
And we know you'll be following that each step of the way. Okay, Kana, thank you.